In this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to TradeLocker.com, and because you actually can't backtest inside their platform, so in case you've been trying to backtest on live.tradelocker.com or demo.tradelocker.com, which is their basically trading web platform, basically you can't do that, okay? So to backtest, you will have to go ahead and get the studio of the TradeLocker, so TradeLocker Studio. Now, you can do this over here when you hover over the Studio tab on TradeLocker.com, and here it says Backtest Algos. You want to click on that over here, and you can read all about their backtesting, how you can backtest your strategies, etc. So over here, it's going to tell you everything you have to know. And up here at the very top, it says, as you can see, Download Studio. So you want to click on Download Studio, and that is going to take you to their download page over here. You can then download their studio for Apple Silicon, Apple Intel, or for Windows. So just click on any of these buttons depending on your operating system, and then your TradeLocker Desktop Studio will basically download to your computer. You want to run that up, and then inside there you'll be able to backtest. Now, in case you want specific tutorial how to actually backtest, you can find that on their website. You can basically get help on their TradeLocker. I think it's like a blog website that they have where they actually post in different information about different tutorials on how to actually backtest. So let me quickly find it for you. There we go. This is inside their docs over here. So it's a guide to TradeLocker Studio. It's available on this very website, and if you go to the very bottom over here, after they show you how to actually set it up, you can see, let me find it, there we go, how to backtest a bot. And then over here, it is a pretty simple tutorial, which is step by step. Just apply this to your TradeLocker Studio, and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.